from my breakdown sheets onto my production strips. And I'm going to do it by hand so you can see how that's done, and then at some point in the future we'll learn how to do that on the computer program. But the first thing I want to do is to show you the first step you have to make. You remember from the earlier clip that every production board needs a header board, and here's the header board right here. You'll notice that I've already listed all the characters from this script, just so I could show you, how it's done. All of these folks are the characters that are in the movie, and the place I got these names was from this box in the breakdown sheet. And remember, what I'm doing is I'm breaking down every single scene into a breakdown page. So for instance, here's one scene where Sully was in this box. Well, if he wasn't already on this list, I would then, as I'm flipping through the breakdown sheets and transferring them to this, I would transfer his name to this list. But you'll already notice that Sully's already character number 2, and that's for a reason. Hannah and Sully are actually the main characters in the movie, and so it doesn't really matter when they appear. You usually list the main characters of the movie as the first, you give them top billing, the first couple of slots. The reason for that is because it makes it much easier when you're doing your schedule to focus on the main characters, make sure that their scenes are grouped together in ways that take advantage of, say, a bigger star's time, if that's who you're getting, and also make more sense of the characters that are the dramatic crux of the movie.